Welcome to your foundational training in lighting systems. In this lesson, we're covering a key concept you must understand if you plan to work in lighting or facility maintenance. Let's take a closer look at what that means, why it matters, and how you'll use this knowledge in the field. Lighting plays a bigger role than most people realize. It helps us see clearly, work safely, highlight merchandise, set the right mood, and even deter crime in outdoor areas. But none of that works well if the lighting system is outdated, dirty, or broken. That's where lighting management and people like you come in. This lesson was created to help future electricians, lighting techs, or building maintenance staff understand why lighting systems need maintenance and upgrades, what a lighting manager actually does, how keeping lighting system in shape saves money, energy, and safety problems. Lighting management simply means making sure that the lighting in a building is doing its job efficiently and affordably. In real life, that means installing efficient lighting, replacing old parts when necessary, troubleshooting problems when they come up, cleaning, testing, and inspecting regularly. Think of it like maintaining a car. If you ignore oil changes and weird noises, the car won't last. Lighting systems are the same. Here's what happens to lighting systems over time. When new, the lights are bright and energy efficient. Over time, the lights get dimmer. Even if the bulb hasn't burned out, it loses brightness. This is called lumen depreciation. Dust and dirt build up on the fixtures, blocking light and making the room seem darker than it actually is. Electrical parts wear out, like ballasts or drivers. Sometimes unexpected issues pop up, like flickering, buzzing, or failure to turn on. That's why regular maintenance is so important. Lighting maintenance includes both routine tasks and reactive problem solving. Here are a few common tasks. Replacing burnt-out lamps or dimming fixtures. Cleaning fixtures and lenses. Replacing old ballasts or drivers. Adjusting controls and sensors. Checking for proper operation of switches, timers, or dimmers. Troubleshooting electrical issues. You may also help install upgraded components like energy-saving LED fixtures or smart lighting controls. Now you might be wondering, why spend money replacing lights if the old ones still work? Good question. Here's the answer. Today's lighting systems, especially LEDs, use far less energy than older fluorescent, halogen, or incandescent systems. So when you upgrade a building to efficient lighting, the electric bill goes down. That monthly savings eventually pays for the cost of the upgrade. After that, it's pure profit for the building owner and better lighting for everyone inside. This is called an energy retrofit, and it's a growing part of the electrical trade. Lighting service companies often specialize in this type of work. Let's compare two approaches. With reactive maintenance, you wait until something breaks and then fix it. It might sound simple, but it's often more expensive. Lights may fail in the middle of a shift or in a crucial area like stairwells or restrooms. Now with planned maintenance, you check, clean, and replace parts before they fail. Planned maintenance helps avoid emergencies, save labor time, keep lighting performance consistent, and reduce safety risks. Most professional buildings today rely on scheduled lighting maintenance, just like they do with HVAC or plumbing systems. As a lighting technician or manager, your job isn't just to fix lights. You help make sure that the system works at its peak performance, all the time, for as little money and effort as possible. That includes choosing the best lamps and fixtures for the job, creating a maintenance schedule, keeping accurate records of service work, helping upgrade systems to better technology, and always working safely and efficiently. In short, you're helping buildings see better, work smarter, and spend less. Before we finish this module, one final but extremely important point. Safety always comes first. Lighting systems involve high voltage, ladders and lifts, potentially hazardous materials like mercury in older fluorescent lamps. You must follow lockout and tagout procedures, use proper PPE, and understand the electrical systems you're working on. Many maintenance injuries happen because people skip basic safety checks or rush the job. Don't be that person. Always work smart, safe, and within code. Let's wrap up with the key points to remember. Lighting systems lose performance over time. They get dimmer, dirtier, and less efficient. Maintenance is essential to keep light levels safe and consistent. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient lighting can save big money. Lighting management is about getting the best light at the lowest cost. Your job might involve repairs, replacement, cleaning, inspections, or upgrades. Planned maintenance is smarter and more cost-effective than waiting for breakdowns. And above all, safety is your responsibility. Thanks for listening to this episode of Service Basics. Stay tuned for the next lesson, where we'll dive into troubleshooting techniques and how to spot common lighting system issues in the field. Until then, keep learning, stay safe, and light the way forward.